Hello and namaste. Welcome back to my podcast Skillshare with Vrinda. In our previous episodes, we've discovered different elements of communication. And today, in our 7th episode, we will be talking about the next most important element of communication, which is emotional intelligence. Communication isn't just about the exchange of information. It's also about understanding and connecting with others on an emotional level. That's where emotional intelligence comes into play. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, manage, and effectively express our own emotions and empathize with the emotions of others. Emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role in our interpersonal relationships and communication effectiveness. It allows us to respond sensitively to others' feelings and create a safe and supporting communication environment. The key components of emotional intelligence includes self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, social skills, and motivation. Developing these aspects can lead to a more harmonious interaction. When we possess emotional intelligence, we can navigate conflicts with grace, show empathy during difficult conversations, and build deeper connections with others. It fosters mutual respect and trust. To cultivate emotional intelligence, practicing self-reflection to understand your emotions better. Learn to manage stress and respond rather than react impulsively. Cultivate empathy by actively listening and trying to see the world through others' eyes. Let's consider a situation where a colleague seems upset during a meeting. Instead of ignoring it, an emotionally intelligent response would be to express concern and offer support, creating a more open and caring work environment. Emotional intelligence is a valuable asset in our communication toolkit. By nurturing our emotional intelligence, we can navigate complex interactions with compassion and understanding, fostering healthier relationships in all aspects of life. Thank you for joining me in exploring the role of emotional intelligence and communication. Stay tuned for my next episode where we will delve into another element of effective communication. Stay tuned and keep learning and keep being emotionally aware and empathetic in your interactions.
अपनी इंटरपर्सनल क्षमताओं को सुधारने और मजबूत संबंध बनाने, सफलता को प्राप्त करने और एक संतुष्ट जीवन को ग्रहण करने के रहस्यों को
अनलॉक करने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। जी हाँ, मैं वृंदा गुप्ता, एक सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर और एक्सपर्ट, आपका स्वागत करती हूँ स्किल शेयर पर, जहाँ हम साथ में सॉफ्ट स्किल की मास्टरी की कला को खोजेंगे।
मैं वृंदा एक जोश टॉक स्पीकर
और हजारों इंडिविजुअल्स को ट्रेन किया है और जाने माने ब्रांड्स के साथ कोलैबोरेट किया है, जैसे कि Amazon, Dove, Puma और भी बहुत से। Join me in my podcast where I will be speaking about communication skill, personality development, interview preparation, business communication, business etiquettes and mental health. कुछ बातों का मतलब, कुछ मतलब की बातें। क्या मतलब?